If you are using Bigscreen VR and your remote desktop is stuck on waiting for VR app, not connected, while your Quest says waiting for remote desktop to connect, don't worry. I had exactly the same problem, and I finally find a fix. In this video, I will show you exactly what works for me. First, make sure your Quest and Windows PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Quest 2, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and check the network name. Then, check your PC's network connection and make sure it's connected to the same network. If your PC connected with an either cable instead of Wi-Fi, that's also fine, as long as it's connected to the same router network as your Quest. Once you confirm they are on the same network, press the Window key and search for Windows Security. Open it. Then go to Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an app through Firewall. Looking for Bigscreen Remote Desktop. If it's already there, make sure the private is checked. If you don't see it, click Change Setting. Then click Allow another app. Then click Browse and locate the Bigscreen Remote Desktop. Follow this video to find exactly the location. Add it to the list. After you add it to the list, make sure both public and private network is checked. Make sure private network access is allowed. Now close the Windows Security window. Reopen the Bigscreen Remote Desktop app. After that, open the big screen on your Oculus Quest. Give it a few seconds. If everything figured correctly, on the Bigscreen Remote Desktop, it will show connected, streaming to your Quest 2. And then you can choose to set your desktop option on your Oculus Quest 2. On the right side of the Bigscreen Remote Desktop, it will also show connected. And that's it. Hopefully this saves you from wasting hours trying to figure it out like what I did. Thanks for watching Sam's Game, and I will see you in my next video.